Hi, this is Teacher Rose, and this is Keys to English Sounds, Section 2 on Vowels. In training video 46, we will review all of the vowels and their spellings. So remember, we have 6 vowel letters. Say them with me. A, E, I, O, U, and Y. But we have 17 vowels. We have how many smile? 6. How many big mouth? 1. How many round? 3. How many slide? 3. Well, there's 4. 3 important ones. And how many are? 3 again. So 16 or 17 important vowel sounds. So now we have our smile vowels. So please say them with me. Number 1, E. Number 2, I. Number 3, A. Number 4, E. Number 5, A. And number 6, A. So remember that smile number 1, E, can be spelled in 3 different ways. With an EE, with an EA, or with a Y at the end of big words. So please read these words. So we have a G and an R together, gr, E, N. Green, the color green. And then we have a T and an R together, T and ter, E. Green tree. That's our key word for E. Please read this word. So we just have 2 sounds. We have E and T. Eat. Keyword for EAE. This is our keyword for the Y that says E. So we've got our first beat. Hap. And then we've got P, E, happy, happy. That's a happy. And that's a 2-beat, 2-syllable word. For smile number 2, we can have 2 ways of spelling it. We can spell I with an I or sometimes with a Y. Some keywords are the word. Please read this word. So this word is p, I, and then we have a blend, nk, pink. So this is the color pink. And here we have, please read this word. So here we have the soft G, J, I, M, gym. Where the Y says I, gym. For smile number 3, we have 3 ways of spelling. We can spell it with a magic E, number 1, where there's a consonant in the middle, or an AI, or an AY. AY is usually at the end of a word. Our keywords are, please read this word. So we can go k, a, k, because remember the E makes us say its name A. Cake. Cake. Please read 2 words. So here we have a G and an R sound together. Gur, and then A. Gray, the color gray, right here, the color gray. And then we have A. 3 letters, but only 2 sounds. A. Gray day. Gray day. Please read rain. AI says A. For smile number 4, we have 2 ways of spelling. We can spell number 1 just with an E, or number 2 with an EA. A key word for the E, please read this word. Red, the color red. Please read this word. Oops. Head. Head. Please read this word. N and D together. Hand. Please read this word. Sun. Now we're on to our big mouth sound. 1 sound, but 4 spellings. So number 1, we can spell aw with an O. Number 2 with an AU. Number 3 with an AL. And 4 with an AW. So please read this word. So we've got the S and T sound together. St, st. Then our ah, and then our p. Stop. Please read this word. Our ah sound is the first beat, just ah. And then we have g, a, st, August. August. August is a month. August. It's a 2-syllable word, 2 beat. Please read. Here we have a 3-sound word. We have b, a, l, ball. Please read. Here we have a D and R together, dr, and then ah, draw. We have 3 round sounds in English. We have number 1, oo, number 2, and number 3, o. So for oo, we have 4 spellings. We have number 1, o, number 2, a u and an e, number 3, a u and an I, and number 4, an e and a w. So please read this word. T-oo-l, tool. Please read this word. So here we have a B and an L sound together, bull, and then oo. 4 letters, 3 sounds, b, l, oo, blue, the color blue. Here we have the F and R sound together, fur, then oo, then t, fruit. Your key word, fruit. Please read. Here we have the B and the L together again, bull, and then oo. Same sound as the color blue, but this blue is blue your nose. Okay, please read. Here we have bite your lip, the quiet F sound, and then t, foot. Now for round number 3, we have 4 ways of spelling. We could spell number 1, O with a magic E with a consonant in the middle. We can also spell O with an OA, with an OW, and sometimes with an OE. Please read this key word. So, PH in English makes that F sound. Then we have our O and our N, phone. Phone. Please read. Coat, coat. Please read. This is a 2-syllable word. E-L-Low, yellow. Yellow, the color yellow. A 2-beat word. T-O, toe. Now we have 3 main slide sounds. We've got number 1, I, number 2, oi, oi, our mouth moves, our mouth slides, and ow, ow. So for slide I, we have 4 ways to spell I. We can spell I with a magic E with a consonant in the middle. We can spell I with silent letters. The GH, no sound. But you need them. And then IE, and then Y at the end of small words. So please read. Time. What time is it? Night. We have 5 letters, but only 3 sounds. Night. Tie. S and K together, sky. We have 2 sounds for ow. O-U, 2 ways of spelling ow. Number 1, O-U, and number 2, O-W. So please read this word. House. House. Please read. So we have the B and R sound together. Burr. Then our ow, and then our n. Brown. Brown is a color, brown. We have 2 ways of spelling oi, with O-Y or O-I. Oi. Please read. Oi. Please read. Coin. We have 3 R sounds. We have R, that sounds like the letter R. We have or, and we have Please read. R. We have 2 ways of spelling the or sound. We can spell it with just O-R or with O-R-E. Please read the key word. So we've got the S and T together, st. Then we have or, storm. Please read. We have the ST together again. Or, store. For the R vowel, we have 3 spellings. We can spell it with IR, UR, or ER. Please read. Girl. Here we have a 2-beat word. Purple. It has a sound, the round sound in there. Purple. Serve the ball. Now let's say the sound. I'm going to show you some letters together and say what sound. Ow. Aw. Oh. Ah. Smile number 5. E. Smile number 1. Oi. Ooh. Round number 1. Or. Eh. Eh. I. Slide I. This can be 2 sounds, but I'm going to say Round number 2. R. Ah. Smile number 6. Ah. Eh. Smile number 4. Eh. A. Smile number 3. A. Thank you for learning English with Teacher Rose. Join me for training video 47.